In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a repository in Bitbucket and push your code. You'll soon discover how straightforward this process can be, especially when using the Bitbucket web interface. So, let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll need to log in to your Bitbucket cloud account. If you haven't already done so, make sure your credentials are ready. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the dashboard with various options available on the sidebar. The button you're looking for is the plus button, which stands for Create. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu. From this list, you'll want to select Repository. This selection is pivotal, as it officially initiates the process of setting up your repository. Next, it's important to determine the workspace where your repository will live. Bitbucket organizes repositories within workspaces, helping you keep your projects and teams organized. If you have an existing project, you can simply choose that. However, if this is a fresh start, feel free to create a new project here. Now, it's time to give your repository a name. Keep in mind that this name has a character limit. It must be under 62 characters. Bitbucket will automatically adjust certain things for you here. Special characters, for instance, will be converted to an en dash, and all letters will appear in lowercase in the URL. So, aim for a clear and concise name that suits your code or project. Access to your repository is another aspect you'll want to consider. By default, Bitbucket sets your repository to private, meaning only specified users can view or access it. You can certainly alter this setting and make it public if that's what you prefer, allowing anyone to view your repository. As an added option, you might consider including a README file. By doing so, your repository will be initialized with a first commit, which can be helpful for giving others an immediate overview of your project. A README is like an introductory guide, ideal for explaining the purpose of your repository right from the start. Once everything checks out and you're ready to proceed, click the Create button. This action finalizes the setup of your repository. Upon completion, you'll be directed to your repository's source page. Here, you will find the URL which you can use to clone or push to your new repository. And that wraps up the process. You've now learned how to create a Bitbucket repository and are ready to push your code. Whether for personal projects or collaborative ones, having a repository is a handy way to manage and update your code effectively. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials, and feel free to ask questions if you have any. Thanks for watching.